but not with Trent.
That's the no-no hole.
It's fun. I can't say it's a no-no hole. It's just fun.
No, it's a no-no.
But with it being this wet, and I know by
That's
looking
super deep.
at the first one's deep, and then it gets worse and worse as it goes on, and it looks like the first one is just overcapped with water from the rain we've had all week. No. And I got to do this detour with like a 3-point turn because I got to get around this stump. I think last time I said I was going to try that other little route, but I never did.
You can't drive through the tree.
No, it's not like a video game.
GTA logic does not occur here.
Yeah. This is still better than these 3 or 4 holes. You guys on the camera, I think you can see that. It's they don't look like much, but I'm telling you, they're deep and wet, not in a good way. Reason why people have made this road to go around it, and it gets used a lot. Up here it just feels like
no, it looks like you're going straight down from back here.
Oh wow.
Because
okay.
This is up higher.
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm like, whoa.
Alright, we're gonna have to do a video with wifey driving and me sitting back there.
That's a whole nother.
That just seems fun.
That was a whole nother experience.
Well, I tell you what, you've been up this hill climb a couple times. You've never done it in the back seat.
No, I haven't. Oh god.
Let me make sure we're filming. Oh yeah. Look, how many minutes are we? Oh yeah, 7 minutes. Yeah, we're good. Double checking the timer to make sure the video is working to catch this one. This is a very nice hill climb, and it's a good one. It's fun, and nobody's been in the back seat while we've done it.
Oh god.
And you know, pretty fun. I like it. There's a rock about midway, so it goes up and then up again. And I use differential lock, which gives me all 4 wheels moving. And here's the rock. Back up to the main road. It's easy for the RMAX.